Hello everyone, I Deepak Prajapati welcome you on my channel Engineering Mathematics djganit. In this lecture we are going to discuss about discrete probability distribution known as Poisson distribution. So in this lecture we will see the formula for probability mass function of a Poisson random variable, and we will see how to calculate probabilities using this Poisson probability mass function formula. So many situations occur in which we are interested in the count of events that occur within given interval of time or space. For example, the number of people in a community who survive to age 100. The number of wrong telephone numbers that are dialed in a day. So here we are interested that how many wrong telephone numbers are dialed in a day. So this is the number of events in a interval of time. The number of misprints on a page of a book. So this is the number of events in a given interval of space. We are interested that how many misprints occur on a single page of a book. The number of packages of dog biscuits sold in a particular store each day. So here we are interested in the number of occurrences of events in a interval of time. Here time is in days. The number of vacancies occurring during a year in the federal judicial system. So this is also the example of number of events in a interval of time. Here time is measured in year. The number of alpha particles discharged in a fixed period of time from some radioactive material. So here also we are interested in the number of events in a interval of time. The number of customers entering a post office on a given day. So in all these situations we are often interested whether the events occur randomly in time or space, or they do not occur in time or space. So in these situations the probability distribution which we can apply is Poisson probability distribution. It is a discrete probability distribution for the count of events that occur randomly in a given interval of time or space. Suppose the random variable capital X is defined as the number of events occurring in a given interval. So interval may be of interval of time or interval of space. And suppose the average number of events per interval are lambda, then the probability of occurrence of X events in a given interval is given by probability that X equal to small x equal to e raised to minus lambda raised to x divided by x factorial, where x can take the values 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. There is no upper bound for the values of random variable, and this lambda is known as the parameter of the distribution. So this random variable x, whose probability mass function is given by this formula, is known as Poisson random variable, and the distribution corresponding to Poisson random variable is known as Poisson probability distribution. So here we have to remember that the probability of occurrence of X events in a given interval is given by this formula e raised to minus lambda raised to x upon x factorial. This e is mathematical constant whose approximate value is 2.718 up to 3 decimal places. So you can find out the powers of e using scientific calculator. Lambda is the parameter of the Poisson distribution. It is the average number of events per unit length. So lambda is the mean number of events per unit length. Here length per unit length may be per unit time or per unit space. So using this probability mass function, we can calculate the probabilities if we have this type of situations in which we can apply Poisson probability distribution. So we take one example to understand this. Example number 1. Births in a hospital occur randomly at an average rate of 1.8 births per hour. So the average number of births per hour in a hospital are given to be 1.8. What is the probability of observing 4 births in a given hour at the hospital? So here we are interested in the occurrence of 4 births in a given hour at the hospital. So we will define our random variable capital X to be the number of births in a given hour, and the mean number of births in a given hour is 1.8. So that is the parameter of the distribution. So let capital X equal to the number of births in a given hour, given that mean number of births per hour is lambda equal to 1.8. So here X is a Poisson random variable. So therefore the probability of X births in a given hour is given by probability that X equal to small x equal to e raised to minus lambda raised to x divided by x factorial. X runs from 0, 1, 2 and so on. We are asked to find out the probability of 4 births in a given hour. So here we put small x equal to 4. So it is e raised to minus lambda raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial. And lambda is 1.8. So we put lambda equal to 1.8. And using scientific calculator we can find out that the probability of 4 births in a given hour is 0.0723. So in this way, if we can decide whether the given problem is related to Poisson distribution, then we can find out the probability using the formula for probability mass function of a random variable, of a Poisson random variable given by e raised to minus lambda raised to x upon x factorial. So remember this formula for probability mass function of a random variable. So this is about today's session. In the next session we will do some more problems on Poisson probability distribution. Thank you very much.